Hi guys, welcome to the video tutorial, how to disable the user account control prompts that bother us every time you start some programs, or when you start installing applications on your computer. Most likely, many users do not like such an obsessive concern for computer security, but most users simply do not know how to disable this feature and have to put up with it. Now let's do it together. On your keyboard, press the key, Win, and R, simultaneously. In this window, write User, Account, Control, Settings. And press Enter. On this tab, you can choose the setting for when you want to be notified about changes to your computer. In order not to receive notifications at all, you need to move the slider to the bottom position. OK. To save changes to the settings, click Yes, and now you will not be bothered by these notifications every time you open applications like Rufus. And also when installing various programs on your computer. To restore the changes to their previous state, you need to do all the steps in reverse order. I hope what I just said could help you, and if you found it helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck!